Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to use coupons on Temu. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me. And show you how to do it. Alright, let's go. Open Temu and find your... Alright, I'm select this and click on add to cart. Select this, add to cart. Alright, go to cart. Okay, and click on checkout. Continue to checkout. Okay. Alright, and scroll down and select payment method. And scroll down and click on apply coupon code. Click on this and write your coupon code and click on apply. And click on cancel, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me. Bye bye.